I was so excited to get a new microphone for my GoPro. I've been using the GoPro with the media mod to make the YouTube channel for my job as a marketing manager. After I unbox my brand new Comica mini shotgun mic and get it all set up, let's give it a test run. Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm a marketing manager working from home. Okay, so the audio sounded great, but the volume was so low that even in editing, I couldn't get it high enough to sound acceptable. Here's the fix. There are actually two places to check to make sure your audio is set up correctly. One is here, where you choose what type of video settings you want. Everything looks fine, the mic is connected. So the other place to check is here. In Preferences, go to Input Output and change the audio input to Standard Mic Plus. Now this is me with the mic switched to the Standard Mic Plus. I think it sounds much better, and now I'm so psyched that I don't have to return this microphone because I was about to, thinking that it didn't work. Well, I continue to love the GoPro as a great starter camera for YouTube, especially if you are a small business and you're looking to start a YouTube channel on the cheap. For years, I have only been using my webcam and doing like Skype interviews, as well as some footage in the field with the GoPro. Only using those tools, we have built up a YouTube channel that essentially pays for the rest of our marketing. So if you are interested in more small business marketing tips that don't cost a lot of money at all, I hope you subscribe by clicking on my face right here, and I will see you in the next video.